Hello, boys and girls! Today we're going to play the Paw Patrol shape-shifting toys. This is Sky's helicopter. Let Sky drive it. The helicopter can also be transformed. She comes to monitor control station to see. Oh, there's a little raccoon trapped. Sky sets out to help. Here it is. Oh, the raccoon is covered in mud. Sky helps him to wash himself clean. Oh, there's a line of ducklings crossing the road. Let them go. Well, Sky can pass the road. Water jet. The raccoon sits in the tub, begins to take a bath. The raccoon is washed clean and the mud is gone. Sky completes the task. Let's see if there's anything else to help. Ooh! There's a fire somewhere! A chicken's trapped! She sets out to help it. That's it! Raise the ladder. Don't be afraid. I'll save you. All right. Rescue! She's going to put out the fire. Water jet. The fire is finally put out. She completes the task. Hey! Here's a tree falling down. Make it be up. Sky is really great.